Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing a math equation that has supposedly divided the internet, and it's 8 divided by 2 and 2 plus 2 in parentheses. Now, how we start this equation is we have the 2 plus 2, which equals 4 in parentheses. Then we're going to bring down the 8 divided by 2. Now 8 divided by 2, as we all know, equals 4. And now with the 4 side by side with the parentheses of 4, which in other words equals times, equals 16. It's 4 times 4 equals 16. But that's just one way to do this equation. The reason why it's divided the internet is because there's two ways to do this equation, and they're both counted as right. How the other one is started is 8 over 2, and it has a parentheses of 2 plus 2, like in the other one. Now, the 2 plus 2 equals 4. And just like in the last one, the one outside the parentheses times the one in the parentheses. So 2 times 4 equals 8. And 8 divided by 8 equals 1. And these both are considered right, depending on how you grew up. We can do this all based on a term called PEMDAS. We have it in another note. The P stands for parentheses, the E stands for exponents, the M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And this can be spelled out as PEMDAS. You do this all starting left to right. And this isn't a law of math, but I consider it a law because it basically tells you the order that you should start any equation in. Okay, so now the scientific calculator, and as you can see, a basic calculator that God has blessed us with, you can do this same equation, well, both equations, on either which one, the basic or science. So you have 8 divided by 2 times 4 gives you the 16. But if you put in 8 divided by 2 divided by 4, it gives you 1. If you're wondering how we got the 4, remember it's 2 plus 2, and that's how we get the 4. So please do not forget that. That's on a basic calculator. That's how we got those calculations. But if we were to come to the scientific, it's the first one's the same, the second one's different. We have 8 divided by 2 times 4, and we get 16. But the second one's, like I said, a bit different. So if you were to put 8 divided by 2 divided, parenthesis 2 plus 2, end parenthesis, you would get the number 1. The way this works is probably because, as you can see on screen right now, the top one is how we'd nowadays do this a kind of equation or equations similar to this. But the bottom one, where you get the number 1, is how probably your grandparents would do that. As you can hear people say, it's the new math. Well, here's evidence of the new math. If only it could help us, But as you can see, it's not just us who are divided. The internet's divided. It's actually a basic calculator and a scientific calculator. They're also divided in a way. They both come up with the same answers, but the scientific one just comes up with it just a bit differently. So I hope you all learned something from this, and maybe if you got stuck on other problems that have this same concept, maybe you should give this video a shot. So I hope you all enjoyed it. God bless you, and have a blessed day.